Welcome class. Class, I am Durgesh Kumar Pandey. I am going to explain a chapter in class 11th. And the name of the chapter is Rights. Class, first of all, you know what is rights. Right is a justified claim, means a claim which is desirable. If we claim any undesirable thing,
please ensure that you are using the dialogue. Stay like that.
class if anyone asks for undesirable demands, so this is not a claim, justified claim. So we cannot say that this is a right. So and suppose if anyone say कि we have a right to livelihood, we have a right to education, so these are necessary for a good life. So you can say कि these are the justified claim, and you supposed to be these are the rights of every man, because everyone have a right to take education, everyone have a right to take the jobs, and without jobs and without livelihood no can be live. So right to education, right to livelihood, right for minimum wages which are required to fulfill the basic needs, these are the rights, because this is desirable, because without minimum wages no one can live a life with dignity and respect. So we can say, if anyone say we have a required a minimum wage to live a good life, so this is a rights. And suppose every person is saying कि we have a right of holiday, we have a right to increment in their salary, these are also the rights, because this is a desirable demands and justified claim. So we can say कि this is your rights. So and if suppose a person is saying कि I have a right to take smoking, and you know कि smoking is very dangerous, hazards for our health, and also it's damage the health of our others peoples also. So you cannot say कि these are the undesirable demands and they are not the justified claim. So we can say this is not a rights class. Class rights are essential to develop the overall of human beings, because without rights we cannot claim anything for us कि हमको rights है हमको दो, ठीक है. तो rights provide us the opportunity, equal opportunity to got the things for our overall developments, the basic facility which are required to grow of our personality, to grow of our life, to promote our life. So we to improve our life. So we right is essential part of life. We have another definitions कि rights are primarily those claims that I along with others regard to be necessary for leading a life of respect and dignity. देखो class like right to livelihood may be considered necessary for leading a life of dignity, because if a person is economically independent, so it will be a very good for person कि person live a life with dignity. And similarly, one writes the right to freedom of expression is essential for everyone, because in a democratic country it allows for a free expression of belief and opinion. So, rights such as right to livelihood or freedom of expression are important rights class. Another grounds on which rights have been claimed is they are necessary for our well-being class. They help individual to develop their talent and skills. A right like right to education, for instance, helps to develop our capacity to reason, give us useful skill, and it enable us to we can do anything properly. We understand the world properly. So we have a need education. So right to education is our rights, and in this sense the education can be designated as the universal rights. However, if an activity is injurious to our health and well-being, it cannot be claimed a right. मतलब if we are doing any activity which are dangerous for our health, we cannot say कि this is a right. But right to education is a good thing. It improve the skill of every person. It make the hands skillful. It enable the person do some jobs. So right to education is compulsory. So all the words is accepted right to education as a universally, and every parents want to
Nikita ma'am,
teach their
Nikita ma'am, please
children.
use your time more.
So if a person who is taking drugs and is saying that this is their right, this is not correct, because in scientifically it was proof कि it damages our health. If in the case of smoking is our life is reduced 6 seconds for every cigarette, and the smoker also the damage of others health class. So any types of smoking and taking drugs is cannot be right, and the government was banned, and government should be banned this rights. These are the not justified claim. So smoking and drugs are not rights class. So class right means what is justified. Like we are going in a school, so it is compulsory to come in the school uniform, and every house have a discipline कि parents is saying come on the house as right time, not at late. Some students if they come in the late night in their home, so parents were asking and saying कि come at the home at right time, don't come late. So these these are not these are the justified thing. If you are going in school in uniform, so it enhance the equality. Both are all the students are same, no one rich or poor. So uniform is compulsory. So we should be follow the rules. We wear the uniform in a school campus. We should follow the rule and regulation of school, because we are going to learn many things to school class. Now come on the next thing, kinds of right. Class rights are basically three types: political rights, economical rights, Class, in the political rights, like and economical rights, and third right is the cultural rights. Cultural rights. So rights are class basically three types: political rights, economical rights, and cultural rights. In political rights, like right to vote, right to vote, right to contest election, right to contest election, right to contest election class. Means right to vote means the universal adult franchise. Every person have a right to give vote without any discrimination on the basis of rich. Ki person is a rich or poor, black and white, male or female. There is no discrimination. Right to vote is available for everyone. The next rise is right to contest election. You have a right to take part in the government's activity, means you have a right to make a political parties. You have a right to freedom of expression is also under this political right class. In class political rights, everyone is equal before the law. You have a right to freely express themselves. You have a right to free and fair trial. These are also the rights. Means the political rights and civil rights both are the same cheese. Both things under come the political rights class, and rights aim to protect the well-being of individual, and political rights contribute it by making the government accountable to the people. Yes, these political rights make the government accountable to the people by giving greater importance to the concern of individual over that of the ruler, by ensuring that all persons have an opportunity to influence the decision of the government. Political rights have a benefit for the people. Ki when people got the political rights, so peoples can influence the decision of the government, and suggest some remedial measure over their decision. Class. Another right is economical rights. Class economical rights are only successful when the people got the right to livelihood. People have a right to earn the minimum wages for their life, ki they can fulfill their basic requirement class. So, and political rights is only have importance when people got the economical rights, because without right to livelihood there is no means, no sense of political rights. Okay, so on economical rights, people have a right to livelihood. Right to livelihood. So, class, if right economical rights are very essential. Ki without the availability of livelihood, without the availability of livelihood, there is no means, though no sense of political rights, because economical rights are necessary to live a life with dignity. And every person have a right to earn their livelihood, uh, and every person have a right to earn a minimum wages to fulfill their basic needs like food, shelter, clothing, health, and education. These are the essential things. So these the basic needs should be fulfilled for of every person. Because without this there is not possible a life with dignity and respect. So in economical rights, suppose a person is working anywhere, so they have a right to housing. So this is the duty of employer. He provide the some money for housing, for medical facility also provide such a candidate. So person have a need economical rights, मीन्स हेल्थ का और तमाम राइट्स आपको अवेलेबल होनी चाहिए क्लास कि इकोनॉमिकल राइट्स में आपका हाउसिंग भी आपको मिलेगी एम्प्लॉयर्स की तरफ से, मेडिकल फैसिलिटी एंड टाइम टू टाइम जो सैलरी इंक्रीमेंट होते हैं वो भी आपके राइट्स हैं. यू हैव अ राइट टू हॉलीडे, यू हैव अ राइट टू minimum hour of work, equal payment of equal work. Suppose class person is not got the employment, so it is the responsibility of the government to provide some minimum wage for a person as a compensation कि they have no job. And one more thing in current time, the government was taking so many initiatives. Government was launched Mahatma Gandhi Narega program among the peoples, and government provide 100 days work of मतलब 100 days work are free for each person in a year. So this is provide a minimum wage a person कि it will be helpful to meet their basic needs. So Manrega is a step taken by the government. And the third right is the cultural rights. Like in this every person have a right to take the education in their mother tongue because India is a multicultural, multi-linguistic country. So, right to education, their mother tongue is a cultural rights. And in our country, many rights are also provided to this cultural community. We have a different language, we have a different religion, and some community have a right to establish their own institution, take the care of administration, etc. The right to establish institution for teaching one's language and culture is also cultural rights. So our constitution provides many rights for the Indians. So cultural rights are very important in a democracy because without this most of the peoples cannot live a life with dignity and respect. So cultural rights are very important for different peoples to live a life with dignity and respect. So now there are the list of the rights has been steadily increased. These rights are continue increase in a democratic countries, and some rights like a primary to right to life, liberty and equal treatment, and the right to political participation are seen as the basic rights that must receive priority, and other conditions that are necessary for dealing a decent life are being recognized as justified. Means justified it is essential for good life. So this is called rights class. Class next rises natural rights and human rights. Natural rights, some rights like right to life, right to freedom, and right to property. These are called the natural rights. And class in the class ninth and 10, you will study about this, about the Europe in 17th, 18th century. These natural rights are very popular, and all other rights are originated from these three natural rights: right to life, right to property, and right to freedom. And other rights are derivated from these natural rights. Human beings are born with rights, and that is why it is called natural rights. And it is essential for human beings to live a life with respect and dignity. But class now this era we will discussing about human rights. Human rights are very important, and it is very useful because we are the parts of humanity. All the human beings are equal, so we should be treated equally. So anyone who is the part of humanity have a right to live a life with respect and dignity. So they have a right to opportunity to got the job. ठीक है, all persons are equal and no one is born to serve other because we are the part of humanity. हम सब इस मानव समुदाय के हिस्से हैं. कोई सब बराबर हैं, कोई किसी की सेवा करने के लिए पैदा नहीं हुआ है. ठीक है, तो एज ए ह्यूमन बींग्स होने के नाते हमारे साथ इक्वलिटी का व्यवहार होना चाहिए. हमको अपनी लिवलीहुड कमाने का मौका मिलना चाहिए. तो जो ह्यूमन राइट्स की बातें हैं अब वह बढ़ती चली जा रही क्लास. वी मस्ट हैव इक्वल अपॉर्चुनिटी टू फ्री एंड रियलाइज आवर फुल पोटेंशियल. तो कंसेप्ट ऑफ फ्री एंड इक्वल रेस्पेक्ट इज इंक्रीजली बीइंग यूज्ड इन द चैलेंजेस. मतलब जो अब नई नई चुनौतियाँ हैं उसको देखते हुए जो अधिकारों का दायरा है बढ़ता ही चला जा रहा है क्लास. Notion of universal human rights has been seen by oppressed people all over the world to be changed a law which segregate them and deny them equal opportunity in their lives. तो कोई यूनिवर्सल ह्यूमन राइट्स की बात हो रही है कि अब जहाँ भी लोगों के साथ अत्याचार हो रहा है तो उसके खिलाफ लोग जो है आवाज़ उठाएं, जो ऑप्रेस पीपल हैं, और नियम और कानून को बदलें जो उनको दूसरे लोगों से अलग करती है, उनको एक डिग्निटीफाइड लाइफ नहीं दी जाती है. तो अब देखो क्लास न्यू जो चैलेंजेस हैं ह्यूमन राइट्स के वो क्या क्या हैं. जैसे पोल्यूशन फ्री इन्वायरमेंट ह्यूमन बींग्स को चाहिए. आज पोल्यूशन इतना ज़्यादा बढ़ गया कि एवरीवन इज़ अफेक्टेड बाय पोल्यूशन. तो टुडे needs to protect the natural environment, and this is generated demand for right to clean air, water and sustainable development class. So in today's era there is increased awareness about to protect the environment, to save the water, save the soil, save the air for peoples, because people have a human beings. So we are talking about the protection of nature class, and also we are extending the boundary of human rights. We are talking about to save the women, save the children. We are talking about for rights for them. So these are awareness about कि we are very sensible about the rights of women and children. Now the rights are now improved and new rights are coming for human beings.